Everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So, here in this video we are going to do this reading. So, try to fix 15 or 16 minutes for your reading passage 1, but before that please look at the type of questions we have for the reading. If the reading passage have less number of questions, then definitely you can just do that reading first. Here two types of reading questions are there, true, false, not given, and second is answer the questions below, means short answer type questions with the help of 3 words. So, I will start doing my question number 1, that is true, false, not given. Of course, first type of question we will start looking at the locations from the first paragraph only, and before that how to do true, false, not given. It is important to just follow one strategy, and you can select your own strategy because everyone is not comfortable with anyone's anyone's strategy. So, you should understand the question statement first, try to understand its meaning and any keyword. Of course, the building here and exhibition is this is the, so this first we will look for building and the exhibition, and after that we will find whether it has been newly renovated or not. If it is newly renovated, then definitely it will be true. Then if it is not newly renovated, then it will be false. And if they are not talking about any whether it has been altered or renovation or not, then definitely not given will be there. So, this is first paragraph, and I will be looking only for my building and exhibition, and side by side whatever it will come in my way, I will just do underline important things for next type of question. Okay, so here in this paragraph nothing is there relating to building and all. So, B paragraph, you also do it with me how I am looking for, because if you read each and every word in the paragraph, then definitely you can't finish it. Now, I can see this building word over here. Okay, and the exhibition is also there. Exhibition has the special advantage of being held in one of the Palladios building, Plazo. Its bold facade is a mixture of this between two rows of columns. On the second floor, the pediments alternatively curved, the harmonious proportion of the this entrance lead. So, you have to read like that only. So, design is simple, clear, not overcrowded. The show has been organized on the same principles according to this person. Okay, so in this paragraph also we have got everything, building also, exhibition, but they are not talking about newly renovation, so it is not given. Okay, now second question, Plazo Barbrain D. Okay, this is the keyword for location, typically represent Palladios design. Okay, if this Plazo typically shows or describes the Palladio design, then it will be true, and if it is not showing any design relating to this, then false. And if they are not talking about this kind of thing, whether this design is showing something or no, then not given. So, this is the word. So, in C paragraph, let us find this word. Now, they are talking about father. So, here trademark is there, design is here. Okay, so typically represent Palladio's design. Okay, we are going to look for the second floor, pediments are alternatively. Plazo is, oh yes, same word is here, see this. So, Plazo is here, building name is this, it is a mixture of this two row column. The second floor pediments are alternatively curved or pointed. Palladian trademark, it means its symbol of that typically represents Palladio's design. So, we can easily get the same thing, this word is also here, and they are going to talk about how it is made. On the second floor, pediments are alternatively curved or pointed, a this trademark means this person's trademark. So, we can just mark it, no, typically represent the Palladius design. So, we can mark it true or false. Decide it, please, please, please. Yes, it is true, because clearly it is given this Palazzo design pediments are alternative curled or pointed a Palladian trademark, means something related to that. Now, third question, Palladius' father worked as an architect. If his father worked as an architect, then definitely true. If his father is was something else, then it will be false. And here in C paragraph we have already got it. Palladius' father was a miller who settled in Vicenza, where the young Andrea was apprenticed to a skilled mason. So, young Andrea was apprenticed, means trained to a skilled stone mason, but his father was a miller. It means this is false. False. But here he is saying, the writer is saying as an architect. So, this is false. Palladius' family refused to pay for his architectural studies. If his family refused to pay his architectural studies, then true. If they paid for everything, then it will be true. False. If they are not talking who had paid his fees and all, then not given will be there. So, family and his studies and pay means refusal. Now, in the same C paragraph, we are looking for family. Family refused to pay his studies. Okay. The answer exhibition is that young man Palladio excelled at carving stonework on columns, doorways, fireplaces. He was plainly intelligent, lucky enough to come across Gyan. This person, a landowner, okay, is a scholar who organized his education, Andreo's education, taking him to Rome in 15. It means landowner had organized his education, not his family. It means this is not given. Okay, so they have not described anything whether family refused to pay for his studies and all. So, fifth number, Palladio's alternative design, okay, for Ducal Palace in Venice was based on an English building. If his design for this palace was relating to this English building, then true. If design was something for different place to this, then false. And if there was no based on an English building and something else, then it is also false. Design Ducal Palace, this is the location, this is the keyword for location. So, next paragraph, D number paragraph, you can also do it. So, I will be looking for that word only. Urban mansions, country villas, design also. Palladio design building that have made him famous, the churches of San, and okay, church also word is also there. So, his cities historical cross, okay, no, nothing is there. So, next paragraph. So, Ducal Palace I can see here, okay. So, now let us read it. He tried his hand at bridges. His unbuilt version of this bridge was decorated with columns of a temple, and after a fire he offered an alternative design which bears an uncanny resemblance to the banqueting house in Whitehall in London, since it was designed by Inigo Jones, Palladio's first foreign disciple. This is not as surprising it sounds, but here they are saying this person had designed this place. So, he offered this, and Andrew offered only. So, here they are saying this design for Ducal Palace in Venice was based on, so this is false we can say, because he had not designed, he just offered. In fact, it was designed by this person, this was so 6th number, Palladio designed both wealthy and poor people. Okay, now if he had designed for both poor and rich people, then true. If he had designed only for wealthy, then false. And if they are not describing for whom he had designed his architecture, then definitely not given. So next one is, next paragraph, Jones, okay, a trunk full of master's drawing. They passed through the hands of Dukes, Burlington, before settling in Royal Institute of many are now on display at Palazzo Barberin. Drew on the building of ancient Rome as model. The major theme of both his rural and urban building was the major theme of both. Same sentence is this, both wealthy and rural people, rural and urban building. No, we are looking for poor and wealthy people. So here the major theme of both his rural and urban building was temple architecture, okay, with a strong pointed pediment supported by columns and approached by wide steps. Okay, now nothing is there about, so let's read next paragraph. Work for rich landowners alienates unreconstructed critics on Italian left, but among the papers in the show are designed for cheap housing in Venice. It means rich people, wealthy people and poor people. So this is true. He designed for both wealthy and poor people. See this, rich landowners, but among the papers in the show are designed for cheap housing in Venice. It means this is true. So seventh, the exhibition includes paintings of people by famous artists. Okay, exhibition includes painting of people by famous artists. Okay, in the wider world, Palladio's reputation has nurtured by the by text he wrote and illustrated Quattro Libri del Architettura. His influence spread to St. Petersburg, to this in Virginia. Okay, nothing is there in this. So next paragraph. Major buildings show contains detailed models of the major buildings and is livened by portraits of Palladio's teachers, clients by Titian. Vernos this, the paintings of his Ventinier buildings are all by this, no less. This is an uncompromising exhibition. Many of drawings are small, faint, and there are no sideshows for children. Okay, his history's most therapeutic architect. Okay, includes painting of people by famous artists. This is not explained over here, because this exhibition, this show includes portraits of Palladio's teachers and clients, not paintings by famous artists. So this is false. Okay, F only I will write. Now next question statement, that is answer the question below using no more than 3 words. Means here we can use 1 word also, 2 words also and 3 words. So definitely there will be one or two answers carrying 3 words. Okay, so how we are going to do it? What job was Palladio training for before he became an architect? So what job he was doing it before he became an architect? So where now we have read full paragraph. Now we will start looking for wherever he was studying and doing some work. In B paragraph nothing is there, but in C paragraph here they are talking about his father was a miller who settled in Vicenza, where the young Andrea was apprenticed to a skilled stoneman. It means what job he was doing? Stonemason he was doing. Apprenticed means training, where the young Andrea was apprenticed to a skilled masonman. So he was trained as a skilled masonman, means he was doing this job only. So who arranged Palladio's architectural studies? So yes, landowner in this same paragraph. See this here in this paragraph, they are talking about this landowner, this person landowner who organized his education, taking him to Rome in 1540s, where he studied the masterpieces. Okay, so it means what name will come? This person name, 3 words, Gian Giorgio Tristino. So we will write this name here. So now I have written same spelling, just take care of the spellings, whatever it is given you can just write the same spelling by matching it. Now next question is Who was the first non-Italian architect influenced by Palladio? So, first non-Italian. So, here in the C paragraph we have done. Now non-Italian person, they were discussing about, yes, here they were discussing about some other person. Since it was designed by Inigo Jonas, Palladio's first foreign disciple, who, this is not as surprising as it sounds, and this person name is here Jones, who visited Italy in 1614, means he was not part of, he was not citizen of Italy country. Okay, so we will just write this person name, who was the first non-Italian architect influenced by this. So, we will just write this person name here. So, next question is, here I have written this person name. What type of ancient Roman buildings most heavily influenced Palladio's work? Okay. So, let us find this word first. After this spelling, we will just try to find buildings. See this, in this paragraph we can get, they pass through, okay, many are now display at Palazzo, okay, and buildings of ancient Rome. Now we have got this location, ancient Rome buildings we are looking for. How Palladio drew on the building of ancient as models. The major theme of both his rural and urban buildings was, so here continuity of this paragraph, urban building was temple architecture, the major theme. So what they are asking, what type of ancient Roman building most heavily means major influenced Palladio's work, that is temple architecture. So we will write only temple. What type of, so here temple will come. So next question, what did Palladio write that strengthen his reputation? So in next paragraph we have done this reputation word. See this reputation here. In the wider world, Palladio's reputation has been nurtured by a text he wrote and illustrated. This inverted comma, 3 words are there. See this, what did Palladio write that strengthen his reputation? So he wrote, right word is also there. So this word will come here. So for the next question, same spelling I have written it, yeah, here see this, same spelling we have written it. Okay, now next question, in writer's opinion, okay, what feelings will visitors to the exhibition experience? Now we have to find the feelings also. So here in this paragraph we have found this, and his spread show contains detailed models of the major building, feelings, teachers, paintings. This is an uncompromising exhibition. Exhibition word is here. Many of the drawings are small. Now we because we are doing this kind of question, so in sequence it will come. There are no slideshows for children, but the impact of harmonious lines, satisfying is also feeling. Proportion is to impart in a love. Feeling word is still here, of this benevolent calm. So we can just write here this same spelling. So same spelling you can write it. Now you can finish this kind of reading within 15 minutes.